amidst the vibrant, swirling energy of the Christmas season, a time defined by glittering lights, bustling crowds, and a symphony of festive music, there exists a quiet center, a still point, a place of calm and reflection. For countless individuals and families, this tranquility is physically manifested in the Nativity scene, a tradition that captures the essence of the holiday. And at the very heart of that scene, providing its foundation and its context, lies the stable. It is not a grand palace or a monumental structure. It is a humble, unadorned shelter, conceptually built from little more than wood and straw. Yet, when that stable is physically crafted from wood, it seems to acquire a unique and profound presence. It transcends its role as a mere decoration, evolving into a focal point of quiet meaning and a tangible connection to timeless story. There is an inherent, almost primal warmth to wood that other modern materials struggle to replicate. Plastic and resin can achieve perfect forms and glossy finishes, but they lack a soul. Wood, as once was a living material, retains a sense of history and life. It was a tree that grew, weathered seasons, and developed a character of its own. This character is etched into its very fiber. Each knot is a record of a branch that once was. Each swirling grain pattern tells a story of years of growth. Every crack of imperfection is not a flaw, but a badge of authenticity. A wooden stable, therefore, does not feel like a mere replica or a mass-produced ornament. It feels instead like an echo of that first, simple shelter in Bethlehem. It feels grounded, real, and deeply humble, its material essence perfectly mirroring the profound simplicity of the story it exists to represent. This expression of humility and shelter appears in a stunning variety of forms, each with its own distinct character and emotional resonance. Some stables are built from clean, smoothly planed wood, sanded to a soft finish and assembled with precise lines. These designs embody a minimalist, almost Scandinavian elegance, where the beauty lies in the purity of form and the subtlety of the material itself. They speak to a sense of order and quiet contemplation. On the other end of the spectrum are stables, constructed from reclaimed barn wood, still bearing the faded traces of old paint and the marks of the time, or from gnarled, twisting branches that look as though they were gathered from a forest floor. These creations feel ancient and wild, as if they were lifted directly from a field 2,000 years ago. They carry a raw, untamed beauty that speaks of nature and providence. This beautiful diversity demonstrates how a single, universal story can be interpreted and expressed through countless personal lenses and artistic hands. each adding a new layer of meaning to the ancient narrative. Beyond its form and material, the interaction between a wooden stable and light is where its magic is most fully realized. This relationship is dynamic and transformative. During the day, natural sunlight plays across its surfaces, defining its shape and carving out deep, expressive shadows in its corners and recesses. The texture of the wood is highlighted, its grooves and ridges becoming miniature landscapes that shift and change with the moving sun. The stable feels solid and protective, a steadfast shelter in the daylight, but the true enchantment emerges as evening falls and daylight recedes. When a single candle, a string of tiny fairy lights, or a small battery operated lamp is placed inside, the stable undergoes a complete and wondrous transformation. It is crucial to remember, however, that for all its beauty, the stable is not the main character of the narrative. It is the stage, the setting, the quiet supportive structure that gives context and profound meaning to the entire scene. The variety of styles available, from the pristine and minimalist to the rustic and wild, invites personal reflection and preference. Which style of stable resonates most deeply with you? The clean and simple or the rustic and wild? And after considering this quiet tradition, what are the other aspects of Christmas heritage or symbolism would you be interested in exploring next? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. So until next time, happy decorating.